suit. I like my little suit. Right lane for the win, y'all. Oh yeah, you want one? It was somebody else. It was somebody else that wanted some. They was standing right over here. They was standing right over here. He might want one. You want some too? Then you want one of these stickers? Some stickers? I brought a whole bunch of stickers. I know you'll put it somewhere. Dallas, East Dallas. I got a YouTube channel called Look Out Racer. You on there? Okay. You from where? Louisiana. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, man. I got an old YouTube channel called Look Out Racer. They be going there. Oh shit, the bomb tune over there. Damn, wait, it made him pull up? God damn. That's boosted, ain't it? It's out here in the building, y'all. Yeah, I can smell it. Always running that badass gas. Look at him, he on his phone. Damn, they must have got some money on top. They trying to get it. Hey, what's going on? I remember you too. How you doing? Well, they done brung everybody out today.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, the taco truck done pulled up too. Oh, it's a wonderful day, y'all. The sun out. It ain't that cold like they were making it seem like it was gonna be. I got my little jumpsuit on. I feel good. That's boosted, ain't it? Yeah, that's boosted, ain't it? That old car. Yeah. Right lane. Boy, yeah, I like, woo. I don't know how much would the bomb tune charge me.
How'd the first one go? I didn't see it over there.
Make sure y'all like, subscribe my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing on YouTube. Look out, look out. Man, you know who I ain't seen in a minute? That dude that be having that mug, man. Jason. That's his name. Where he been? Hold that bad boy. She held it. Well, she held that bad, man. Not much. How you doing today? I'm finna go see about them tacos in a minute. No, right? It's taco time! Hey, was that you at? Nah, that wasn't you. How y'all doing? Jason Derry, that's his name. I ain't seen, huh? Yeah, she held it. Yeah, she held it.
Oh, that's a lady?
Yeah.
Well, that Nova the one really saved the day, though.
Huh.
Shit, cause he stopped. He got on around his brakes. Shit, like, man, I don't know.
Nah, he got off of it. I don't know where Funkytown at yet. Funkytown ain't pulled up yet. Funkytown ain't pulled up yet. Tana Mama said. What Tana Mama say? Tana Mama said she can't have shit. Tana Mama said. Tana Mama said we can't have shit. Hey. Tana Mama said. Tana Mama said we can't have shit. I said, Tana Mama said we can't have shit. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Okay. Yeah, that'll be a good one. Tana Mama said we can't have shit. About to be taco. I said taco time. What's the weather like? Today's weather reported cloudy, 56 degrees. Got multiple wind platforms coming up from the eastern hemisphere. Winds at going about 15 miles an hour. Coming from the eastern.